Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So today I want you guys to come spend a day with me as I go to my little nephew's prize giving. So this was me this morning. I was waiting for the prize giving to start, and I thought I was gonna have a quiet day, just me, myself, and I. Then I met this amazing, beautiful girl. Oh my gosh, let me tell you about this girl. Like, Unathi and I met at this very same day, and the way we clicked, like, if you're looking at us, you think we've known each other for like years, but no, we only met like today. And the way we clicked, my goodness, like, I was so amazed. I was like, oh my gosh, the way we clicked, I was so surprised myself. I was like, what? This was like after the prize giving. They offered us some food to eat, and then this is us going to grab something to eat. And Lapo that time was so hungry, so we're like, thank goodness there's food, let's help ourselves to some food.
She literally took two of them. I took one. Oh gosh. We don't wait for seconds, man.
That's if you can find.
I'm getting in your way. Remember?
Yeah, we need drinks now.
Yeah. As long as my drink.
Because I'm choking. I see, look so dala, guys.
My shop people.
What is it?
I don't know. I don't know what I ate.
It has like, what's this? Mushrooms.
Mushroom.
Yeah, that's potato.
Oh my god, sauce.
And basil and bila, guys. So don't judge us. Go halal. Unyingi.
Sub halal.
Unyingi.
After one bite. Not let Oh, the man is gone for us. We got 2 desserts. For me, I got 3 desserts.
Show them what you just ate.
Guys, I literally have 3 desserts.
You're supposed to just pick up your plate.
Doesn't matter. I literally have 3 desserts.
I have one. At least I have one.
One? No, you got 2.
Child, you have thing.
It's not 2 and 1 is different.
Buy one, get one free.
Yeah, literally buy one, get one free. Now watch her eat. Let her do ASMR. So this is a drive.
I don't know if it's chicken.
I think that's mint.
Guys, please tell me if this is mint.
Guys, it's literally mint.
It's dry.
Again. Yeah. Perfect. So literally,
Someone wanted to get more donuts.
guys.
Tell you about donuts.
What's it?
No, donuts. That was too good. Can you get the bill? Oh wait, it's on the house.
Yeah, so, and Shem, this was such a wholesome day. Like, I made a new friend, and I also got to see my family winning. It was such a wholesome day. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, I did enjoy this day, so bye.